It was a bright, peaceful morning at home. The sun shone gently through the curtains, casting warm golden stripes on the living room floor. Inside, Mom had just rolled out a soft mat near the window, ready to present something exciting to her children, Hamdan and Rania. "Today," she said with a warm smile, "we're going to explore something very special from our Montessori shelf, the long rods." Hamdan's eyes sparkled with curiosity. "Long rods? What do they do?" "You'll see," Mom replied mysteriously. "Let's bring them out together." Hamdan and Rania carefully helped their mom carry the 10 beautiful wooden rods from their corner shelf. Each rod was painted red and longer than the one before. Some were short and easy to carry, while the longer ones needed teamwork and balance. Once all the rods were gently placed on the mat, they admired how different each rod looked. But for now, they left them in random order, scattered gently across the mat like a wooden puzzle waiting to be solved. "Are you ready to build something magical?" Mom asked, kneeling on the mat. "Yes," the children cheered. Mom picked up the shortest rod, only 10 centimeters long, and placed it at the top of the mat. "This is the shortest rod," she said, running her fingers slowly along its smooth surface. "Feel it," she encouraged. Hamdan and Rania each took a turn feeling the rod with their fingers, noticing how short and light it felt. "Now, let's find the next rod. It should be a little longer." One by one, Mom and the children carefully felt and compared each rod. Every time they found the next longest rod, they gently placed it under the last, building a beautiful red staircase from shortest to longest. Rania noticed how the rods grew longer and longer, and Hamdan proudly used the words short, shorter, long, and longest as they worked. Mom reminded them, "Always feel along the rod. This helps your eyes and hands work together." Finally, they placed the longest rod, a full meter long, at the bottom of their red staircase. The rods looked so beautiful, perfectly lined up in growing order. They all paused for a moment to admire their work. The red stair was complete. "What do you see?" Mom asked gently. "It looks like a giant ladder." Rania giggled. "It's like music. Short, longer, longest," said Hamdan, tapping each rod gently in rhythm. Once they were done exploring, Mom guided them to tidy up. One by one, the children carried the rods back to their corner shelf, holding each rod carefully with both hands, just like they had learned. When the mat was rolled up and everything was back in its place, Mom said proudly, "You both did a wonderful job. You used your hands, your eyes, and your words. That's how we learn." Hamdan and Rania beamed with pride. It had been a morning full of discovery, and all from a few simple rods and their mother's loving guidance. And so, the Montessori magic continued in their home, one beautiful activity at a time.